School uniforms play a vital role in fostering a sense of belonging and discipline among students. Scribbles Uniforms was at Didact 2024 to showcase their comprehensive school uniform solutions. Let's check them out.
Hi, I'm Janvi Rathod here. I'm from Advanced Clothing Concepts, and in Advanced Clothing Concepts, we have 5 brands. In that, Scribbles is one of the brand where I'm working as a business development manager in Scribbles. And we are into uniform business from past 17 years. We are from South India. We are based in all the cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, and Cochin. Almost like 250 plus schools we are catering uniform and all the requirements of the schools like shoes, bags, tie, belt, socks, everything. And we are design oriented company where we start from the scratch from the design. And in India you will see very less people who start from the design, and we want to introduce a bit of design sense to the uniform. So that's why it is called as Scribbles. We are starting from the beginning, from scratch, giving customer satisfied product. And we do have a team about like almost like 1,000 to 1,300, something like that, total overall employees in the company. Why Scribbles is popular? Because of the designs, the service, the quality, the fabric. We are different. If you see our designs, if you look at our designs, it is like unique, like more of knits and woven combination. We call it as in 2 combination. One is like knits and ovens. Ovens is a regular uniform where you'll be having shirt and skirt or shorts or pant like that. T-shirt and shorts. It's like nowadays it is like informal, whereas wardrobe concept is running more, and we are promoting that also kind of. Uniform, as you know, the name itself, it says equality. So it is very mandatory for everyone to have uniform. That's the first thing. And the second thing is that nowadays the branding for us, very small product is also very important, and every school wants to be recognized in a place. So uniform gives that recognition to the school. We are only in South India right now. We are like this. This event was a promotional activity for us to introduce our brand to North India. Scribbles is one-stop solution for all your school requirements. Everything like bags, bottles, lunch bag, school bag, pouches, caps, tie, belt, socks, uniform, everything. If you come to us, you'll have all your headache will be gone. Like we'll take all your headache and we'll deliver everything, whatever the requirement is there.
Consistent, well-designed uniforms foster a sense of unity and discipline among students. Schools offering quality uniforms can enhance their reputation and attract more admissions. If your school is planning to invest in end-to-end uniform solutions, Profectus Capital wants to ensure that financial requirements don't limit your school's development goals. Visit our website to learn more about our customized school funding program.